Welcome to this video tutorial for the NMP flight application. The learning objective of this tutorial is to give an overview of the status information and associated actions on the second glance. For a flight that has not landed, the status and other elements of the flight can influence actions that are available on the second glance. You can open the second glance for any flight by clicking on the icon on the left, and the status is shown, and if you hover your mouse over it, you are shown some additional information. The action buttons are shown when they are active, and in this case, a send request for improvement message is available. For another flight, I have the option to send a slot improvement proposal wanted message, and also to send a slot missed message. In this case, the flight has had a reroute proposal active for the flight, and I have the option to reject the reroute proposal. Following two flights have their rows highlighted in orange, which shows me that they are both in the status suspended. When I open the first one, I see that it is suspended because it's not been reported as airborne, and the action available for this is to send a delay message. The next suspended flight, I see that the delay of the flight has exceeded the threshold of the regulation, and the action available in this case is to send the flight confirmation message. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you have any feedback for us.